Hey guys, welcome to Chash Outline. This video is about Honor Band 4. So let's get started. This review boils down to two questions, that is, should you get this Honor Band 4 and why you should get this Honor Band 4. Talking about the fitness band and fitness features, there are a lot of companies which are producing fitness bands in the market. But if you are a person who are looking for only the fitness features in a fitness band and not interested in the hardware quality or the software which supports this fitness band, then there are a lot of options in the market. But if you care about the hardware and the software which support the fitness features in the fitness band, then it boils down to few fitness bands and Honor Band 4 is one of them. So I have decided to segregate this review into pros and cons so that you can have a better idea you should get this band or not. So let's start with pros.
Honor Band 4 has an AMOLED display and it is a sharp and vivid one. The display looks stunning and colors of the display pops out and looks very stylish. This display has 3 brightness levels and the visibility of the display at outdoors is really good. I can tell one thing for sure is that no one can hate or ignore this display. Honor Band has 3 color watch faces and they look stunning on this band. The display has a very good touch responsive when it is compared to other brands in the market. This band has heart rate monitor which gives almost accurate results. I had also compared this band to other bands and smartwatches regarding heart rate monitor. Notifications on this band can be seen when you receive message or call, but you can't see the caller's name on the display. This band has a very good Bluetooth connectivity. Mostly it will be connected to your phone through app. Battery life on this band is amazing. You will get mostly 10 days out of it. But if you enable heart rate monitor continuously option, then it will give 3 to 4 days of battery life. Finally, the app related to this band works really good and have several options which you can use when you need it. And the integration of the software and hardware is really good. Cons: charging mechanism can be considered as a con because of its weird docking system. Out of 10 times I had struggled to fit the band into dock like 6 to 7 times. Strap removing mechanism is not good at all. It's very hard to remove strap from band. You need to use any thin tool to remove the strap from the smart band.
These are the pros and cons from this band according to me. So now boils down to one question, that is, should you take this Honor Band 4 or not? According to me, you should, because this Honor Band 4 works really good. And you'll find the link of the Honor Band 4 in the description below where you can get this Honor Band 4. If you want to get Honor Band 4, do get from that link, it will help the channel a lot. So that's it guys for this video. If you like the video, do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel because much more content coming up. So see you guys in the next video. Until then, chill out and keep rocking.